Hey guys, you want to know why I'm being like that? Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum. 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 Phone. Mana dia ni? Hello. Assalamualaikum. Apa tak?
Makan. Waalaikumsalam. Kenapa kan?
Aku kat depan pintu rumah kau ni.
Ha? Apa dia buat yang depan rumah aku? Lah, aku kat Perak ni Makan. Kelintan.
Lah, weh, serius lah. Bila nak beli berak tu? Aduh. Weh, aku ada file penting tu. Besok aku nak present ni pagi ni. Pagi-pagi esok dekat company aku. Aduh. Bila aku balik tu?
Kau aku tinggal rumah aku ke? Macam mana Weh, aku balik lambat lagi tu. Lusa baru aku balik.
Oh, serius lah. Kau balik lusa. Aduh, busy sangat ke? Aduh, habis tu macam mana aku nak masuk ni? Aku nak ambil file ni.
Aku faham keadaan kau. Kalau boleh memang aku nak tolong kau. Tapi
Oh, stres tu macam mana ni? Banyak boy kerja aku. Bila kau nak balik?
So, what is the problem statement? First, the owner does not notice the presence of guests outside the door. Second, it is difficult to see the identity of the guests in front of the door. Third, owner need to back home immediately to open the door for their guests to enter the house.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azhan Sukri and I'm from Data Transition and Innovation. And my project is Smart Lock Door.
For the introduction, first, door is a main entrance for every room. It could be a bedroom door, main door, office door, or any other door. Second, with the latest technology of this project, by using IoT, a door can be locked and unlocked remotely everywhere across a global. Third, this project allows owner to open the door house remotely with a simple phone application. So, what is the difference between our product and others? First, our product using a device with a blink application and Wi-Fi for unlock a door, while other project use a remote control and bell door to unlock a door. Second, our product can unlock a door with unlimited distance, while others can unlock a door at certain distance or short distance. Third, our project can open from inside by using a touch sensor or application, while others project can open from inside by manually or using a remote control. For the last, our project can get a notification from application, while others project didn't get any notification from the device or application. So, for the advantages of our product is, first, our product is using a device with a blink application and Wi-Fi for unlock the door. Second, our product also can unlock a door with unlimited distance. Third, our product can open from inside the house by using a touch sensor or application. And the last is, our product can get a notification from application. Marketing strategies. Target market. So, firstly, for our product, we target at all companies of electronic technologies. Second, we target at all the shop that selling an accessories for home door. 4 P's in marketing. First, product. For mobile or tablet, it is make easier for the user and it is easy for the maintenance. Second is price. Don't worry because we are offer for our product with a affordable price. And the last is promotion. So we are going to promote our product by using a flyers and also a social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp and so on. Selling price. For the total of all component is RM695.90. For the markup of 10% is RM69.59. For the subtotal is RM765.49. So, after rounding, we take about RM770.
What? Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you again.